Take a ride in the 2014 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires front all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.